today I have this USB IP camera. It works with any USB power source like power bank or anything like this. It has a flexible knee, you can bend it as you require, and a small camera in here. So this is not mine, but today its owner gave me this for repairing because it had some physical damage. He tried to set it behind his ceiling fan and accidentally it crashed with fan blade. As a result, this portion was opened and he put everything together. So I took it in my home and my primary inspection is I power this up, I scan it from my smartphone. It can connect this device but it cannot deliver any video. So I think the camera unit is damaged and you can see the camera sensor inside this housing. So now I will open this thing and try to see what actually happened with this unit. So let's see what's inside. Here is the lens cover, lens inside, and the square piece is IR filter, and here is our main sensor. And now we will work with it. You see, here is a capacitor thing. This is ripped off from the board, and the problem is these components are microscopic and they are not easy to solder. But I will try to solder this end to this end with a wire and this end to this end with another wire, and I will see that is it fixed or not. I tried my best to solder the component which one was ripped up from the circuit, and I don't know what I have done. I think I have to give it power and see is there any smoke come from this unit or it works. Okay, power, still no smoke. So now I will see can it broadcast its SSID, and if yes, then I will try to connect it with its apps. Then everything will be clear as daylight that my today's attempt is success or failed. This is the first time I'm trying to do something like this. It has still same issue. It can provide its SSID but it cannot deliver the video. So now we will open the main unit and see what's inside, and of course we'll try to see is there any problem inside the main unit. Okay, it's open. Now we can see what's inside. This is the camera module, and what it is, it has a connector, and here is, can you see, LED plus, LED minus. Now I disconnect this camera module and we'll try to connect this again. So now I only powered this main unit to power bank and disconnect this camera sensor, and still it shows the same problem. And so I think our today's mission is failed. This device is no fix. Actually, for physical damage, its warranty is already void and the company has no service center. So my client had to buy a new device. I just see if I can fix it for him. But after a long process, I realized that it is not fixable for me, at least now. Maybe in future, I will able to fix this type of complex things. Maybe I will be better. Thank you for your time.